Hey guys, what's going on? This year I'm going to try my hand in Hookah Culture, and I figured I would bring you all along, maybe shoot some videos of it. Essentially what Hookah Culture is you pile wood up and you put topsoil on top, and as the wood breaks down, that's where your plants derive the nutrients from. Separated my beds. I have one big bed that I separated into two, just in case I needed to manipulate the soil in any way. Bobby Hughes, I'm trying to think what it was either Heritage Pride Homestead or Heritage Pride Firearms. A couple of years ago he did Hookah Culture beds in an urban homestead. He actually put pipe in, that way he could add additives, like compost tea and stuff like that. I'm thinking about doing that, not sure if I'm going to yet. I've not made the decision on that or not. I think this will probably be sufficient enough to get the type of soil that I need for it to grow, the nutrients for it to grow. So one of the main reasons why I'm doing this is I live in a coal mining part of the world, and our soil is not very good here. So to get good topsoil is expensive. There's no good topsoil currently where I'm at. So this is a way for me to make my own and to take the wood to kind of take up space in the beds, and then I will use less topsoil, and we'll see how it goes. If you have any comments, let me know. As always, thanks for watching.